All right, guys, I just entered this trade, and I want to show you guys how to catch multiple spikes. On this trade right now, we are sure to catch some spikes, right? And you can see how it has been going all the way from this level. So the first thing you want to do when you're trying to catch spikes is to just make sure you see your market direction. You see excuse me, make sure you see series of higher highs and higher lows. You can see it's creating the highs and lows here, the higher highs and higher lows. All right, so where do you do this? You want to be doing this on the higher time frame, like the 4 hours time frame. All right, you want to be doing this on the 4 hours time frame, and as you can see, the previous candle was actually it ended bullish, closed bullish with a little bit of rejection, which is the reason why the price is pushing down at the moment. But any moment from now, we're going to be having a spike. All right, we're going to be having a spike, and I'll show you just how we do it. I'll show you just how we do it. You can see I have my I always emphasize on the need to understand price action and how it works, right? So you can see right here I have my horizontal line, I also have my trend line, and I'm expecting price to push come to this area where I have my resistance around this area here. So right now price is currently around my support area, and I'm expecting a spike. Remember, if you want to catch spikes, you want you want to see price at your support. You want to be buying from your support. That is if you are trying to catch a spike on boom or the boom market. You're trying to catch spikes on the boom market. You want to see price at your support. You want to be buying from your support, right? It's still running. We're already on a loss of about $10 loss right now, and I'm going to be keeping this trade to. My risk here is going to be like $20. If I lost up to $20, then I'll just close out and look for other opportunities. All right, because it's definitely going to be more opportunities out there. But I'll be risking just $20 on this. I don't want to lose more than $20, right? But of course, I believe before then the spike is going to happen, and you guys will see it. You guys will see it. You'll see as it happens. So yeah, the first thing you want to do in the market is when you're trying to catch spikes in the market is to see your market direction on a higher time frame, like the 4 hours time frame. You want to be seeing series of higher highs and higher lows. The next thing you want to do is make sure to identify your market, your area of interest, your support or your resistance. You want to see your support or your resistance clearly. You want to mark those points. You can use horizontal lines to do that. Your support and your resistance are areas on the chart where reversal usually happens. So you want to be seeing up to like 6 or 7 or more reversals at that point to be sure that that place is valid. Yeah, you want to be sure that that place is valid. So you want to be seeing like up to like 5 reversal points from that level. Yeah. So after that, the next thing you want to do is study the candles, see what the candles are saying. Of course, the candles are very important also. You need to understand every candlestick that you see. You need to understand them. All right, we're here to have a spike. We're still waiting. My stop loss is just around here. All right, so you want to be seeing the market at your support. This is for boom, whatever boom you want to trade, be it 1000, be it 500, be it 300. You want to see price at your support, and the next thing you want to do is watch out for the candles, right? The candles are very important. Like I said, you want to be seeing some bullish moves on the candlesticks. Yeah, you want to see each time frame. You want to see that there are bullish movements. All right, especially movements that have closed. All right, bullish pressure that have closed. You want to see that, and then you want to place your buy. But before then, you can just use indicators to further confirm what you have seen. All right, use indicators to confirm what you have seen, and then these are the indicator settings I want to show you right now. We'll be needing relative strength index, so you just period 7 apply to close. All right, levels 90, 10, 70 and 30. All right, you're done with that, you just click done, and then the next thing you want to do is add your envelopes, period 100, shift 0, deviation is 0.618. All right, method is simple, apply to close, upper band, lower band. You can see I choose colors red and green. All right, you can use any color of your choice. All right, you just click done when you're done with that. The next thing you want to do is add your moving average, period 50, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, levels, you don't need that. Okay, so you just click done when you're done. All right, and then add another moving average, period 7 this time, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. You can use any color of your choice. Of course, you don't need much of that, so you just click done and then add the last one. Right, the last one is period 21, shift 0, method exponential. Okay, apply to close. Okay, so just click done after you're done with that. And of course, I have my setup here, and then this is what you want to do. All right, my moving average is already coming to this area, so I'll be expecting a spike soon. So soon as your moving averages, the three of them converge around this area, these are the moving averages, they're 1, 2, 3. As soon as it converges around here, okay, as soon as it converges around here, and all the other conditions that I mentioned have been met, all right, as soon as those conditions are met and my moving average is around, your moving average here, around here, there's going to be a spike, guys. It's going to be a spike. That's happened several times. This is it. This is it. You can see around this level, the moving average is converged around here, and then these spikes came about, right? So I'm going to show you more. You see at this level, the spike, you see the moving averages converge around here, and then the spikes. All right, so this is always going to happen if you've been able to understand price action. Is very important. You can get anybody to teach you price action. Is very important. Get a mentor. If you want to be successful in this business, you need to be mentored. You need somebody who has been in the business for a while to mentor you and teach you what there is to know. Everything there is to know, you need to learn, guys. It's very important. So get a mentor around you and learn, guys. All right, you can see spikes upon spikes. Soon as this moving averages get around here, soon as they converge on the level 10 here, level 10, my lower band where I showed you guys, I put green color. All right, I put green there to represent my buy, and then red on the upper band to represent my sell area, right? So I'm gonna check to see it's about time I close this trade. Okay, so the spike didn't come right when I expected it to come, but it just might come before my stop loss. But then I have a target, I have my risk limit. That's very important. Also, you need to always know when to close out, right? You can see the spike is not here yet, so I'm going to definitely close, but I will do as I will urge you guys to know when to close out, right? I just might not close this right now. I can increase my limit to $30. Yeah, I want to lose $30 now. Why do I do that? Is because I have noticed that my moving average here, 1, 2, 3, they're coming close to this area. All right, they're coming close to this area, so I'm going to add another $10 risk. Of course, my account, you can see if I lose $30, I will not die. It's not going to kill me. I still have $300 to trade on, right? And trust me, there is always more opportunities to make money from the market. So you can always recover your loss, but always know when to close out. All right, so right here I can see that the spike might just happen anytime soon, because I'm waiting for the 3 moving average here to converge around this level, then I'll see a spike. So I have increased my limit to, I've increased my limit to $30. I'm going to close out if I lose $30. I'm going to close out if I lose up to $30. All right, and if I don't, if the spike happens, good. All right, so I told you guys that was a long spike, but not long enough to give me the profit that I want to take. All right, we have over $8 in this position right now. I'm just going to hold it for a while and expect more spikes. All right, I'll be expecting more spikes. All right, but I don't want to bore you up with this video. I want to go back to manage my trade. You can see VIP is winning. This is the spike. This is the spike we just caught right now. We just caught this spike right now, guys. So price action is key, guys. Price action is key. Price action will tell you everything there is to know in the market, and then confirmations, and then of course you can use indicators to further confirm your confirm what price action has already said to you guys. So let's stay close. All right, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not done that before. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and bring good reviews. It's very important that you do that. Bring good reviews. All right, like this video if you've not done that. Please like this video. All right, give me more likes. This helps me. This encourages me to bring more content for you guys. Trust me, practice this, guys, and you'll be good. All right.